Yes, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to describe a performance, a concert that I have seen before. I should say what the performance was about, where and when I saw it, and who performed, and explaining how I felt about it. So, this is your question. I'm going to take the notes, first of all. So, the concert that I saw um, was like a live music concert, right? A couple of years ago. It was in Kadıköy, Istanbul. And who performed? I don't remember the group. I'm gonna call them XYZ. Oh, amazing. I felt amazing about it. Right, so it was an amazing experience. So to make this Turkish, I'm gonna say XYZ. Right. Okay. So I have between 1 to 2 minutes to talk about this concert. I remember it was around 12 in the morning, and I was bored after a long day of work. I just finished my last session, and I decided to go out. So I'm living in Istanbul, a busy city, and especially Kadıköy, a place where never sleeps. It never sleeps. This place it never sleeps. So I'm alone walking towards a bar, and in these bars they tend to play live music, like they have these small concerts, and this band and these guys are singing. It's all amazing. Everyone is happy, and wow. I said, why don't I go in and see what's going on? So I entered and saw people dancing happily. They're playing, and I was like, oh yeah. So I got myself a soft drink, Pepsi, and I decided to watch these people. They're dancing and playing and having a lot of fun, and they are singing and they're singing along. And this is a very Turkish culture, especially in these small bars, sometimes even big bars. They have these burns with a lot of people around. They definitely fill the bar and probably outside sometimes. And sometimes they have these big conferences, conference halls where they kind of like playing the same kind of music, selling drinks and all that stuff. So it was an amazing, and I don't remember the name of the band, but I'm gonna call it X Yeezy. So X Yeezy were awesome, amazing. They had beautiful songs, they had beautiful voices, but these bands usually don't play their own songs. They have few of them, I mean, like the ones they kind of like compose themselves, but most of them are just playing popular songs to entertain everyone because popular songs are the songs that everyone knows so they could sing along. So I felt really amazing. It was one of my best experiences in that place. And every time I saw such kind of live music, live band music, or something like that, I would just join, go and listen. But nothing is to be compared to that performance of Ixie Yeezy in that day. Okay, so that being said, I'm gonna come back and talk about a little bit. As if you have been following my series, there is this fact that I always tell you. I never prepare the answers for these questions before actually making this video. I'm trying to give you a very natural experience, something that a student could relate to. Because if I prepare and give you that very perfect, grammatically um, perfect answer, you might think like, okay, this is the only way that you're supposed to be answering the questions. But as you have observed, I'm trying to be natural, trying to remember facts, trying to create facts along the way as I go to give you the natural experience, the imperfect experience that any student could have when they're answering the examination. So I'm just trying to be as simple, as natural as much as I can, and you should be, because this helps you to perform better. When you're yourself, you're having a better chance of having better answers. You're more comfortable with your pace, you're more comfortable with your fluency, because you can never improve your fluency within the exam. Fluency is something that you improve before that, and you only do that through a lot of practicing. So I invite you to practice more and more. I invite you to subscribe, open the notification, and share, comment. Let your friends know about our activities here so that they can also benefit. I'm wishing you all the best right now, all the best later, and all the best in your life. Take care of yourself, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next session.